First, you will need a laptop. It doesn't matter if it's USB-C or Type A. This is the one that I bought last purchase not too long ago, and it comes with A and C. And then you need a disc. So I bought these ones. It was a bit of a big pack. I kind of didn't do my research on it, but you can get smaller packs. They have smaller ones. So these are the two that I got. So right here is the CD player, and then right here is the CD itself. So first what we're going to do is connect this. It'll blink a little bit. And then we're going to click in and out. It's going to kick out, slide it out, put it in. Now for this, you got to let it kind of click in the middle. It might look like it's not going to fit, but it will. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and push it in. There we go. I was just pushing it back. So now on here, it should pop up. You inserted a blank disk. So it will start with Open Finder, but we're going to choose Open Music. Click OK. This will just tell you how to do it, but I'll show you visually. So this is on the desktop itself. So first we are going to create a playlist and put in the name, whatever name you'd like. And after that we are going to drag in the songs. Make sure to number the songs so that you can put them in the correct order. Now after that we're going to click on the bottom left, burn playlist to disk, and that is almost done. So right here I choose 4x speed, slower equals better quality, and then I also include CD text, and everything else I left it. Once you click burn, over here it will start making a bit of noise and start blinking. So just give it some time. Also on the bottom left it will give you an indicator on burning CD. Alright, so now that's done. Over here, it should now pop up over here on the side, your CD. You scroll up, I don't know why there's a weird text right here. And then you click here, double click. This will then screech a little bit just to play the song. There we go. And then if we were to click on a different one, whenever we click on one, you'll hear it swap. I'll show you what I mean. Very slight. There we go, a little buzz. So it does work. Now once you want to play on stereo or anything, we're going to click eject, which will then kick this out. Grab both this edge right here, and then on this edge, pull it out. But we're going to go ahead and put in this CD. This is like an older BMW professional system. This is why I wanted to do CDs. And then right there, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it says the name of the text up here on the top. And then I can just play next, and it works. There we go. I don't know if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments.